Hey everybody, how's it going? Paul here to tell you about some special offers that I've got for new and existing Patreon supporters who might be interested in grabbing a copy of the Manga shader. Now, as you already know, I offer the full version for the low price of $10 US, as well as the free/pay what you want EV only version. But did you know that becoming a Patreon supporter at just the $1 level, you will immediately receive a special promo code giving you 50% off the full price. What's more, if you become a $3 or $5 backer, your promo code gets you a full discount. Now, what's the advantage of this? Well, downloading the Manga shader from the Gumroad store means that you will be notified of any updates and receive the new versions as they become available completely free, even if you are no longer a Patreon supporter. Yes, you can sign up and you can leave at any time and there's never any hard feelings. But if you do plan to stick around, there is a huge backlog of exclusive content that patrons get for their monthly contributions. Now, I already produce 2 pieces of free content every month for this channel here on YouTube. That is a what I'm watching video, as well as a quick tips tutorial. But you will have noticed that a second tutorial pops up every month, which often has a link to a Patreon post, and that hosts a downloadable working file that goes along with that video. Now, at the $1 level, you get access to this tutorial 1 whole week before it goes live here on YouTube. At the $3 level, you get to submit questions for an exclusive Q&A video, in which I attempt to answer your burning Blender and comics related questions. And at the $5 level, you get access to an ever-growing modular set collection of Blender models that you can download and sort of fit together however you wish. It's the support over there at Patreon which makes the production of these videos possible. So I try to reward my backers with a lot of quality and useful content. And of course, I'm always open to suggestions for future material and have enjoyed ongoing interactions with you all here, as well as the Patreon community over there on the page. So if you've been meaning to check out what's going on my Patreon channel, there's never been a better time to check it out.